the castle at the moment. Looking towards the ramparts on the bush in the centre is the longhouse. There's the castle, the keep, and I'm just going to follow the outer wall, the curtain wall around towards the gate. Go over the keep. The old course of Kenfig River is on the left hand side at the moment. Directly over the keep now. Right, it's all a bit overgrown, so I'll come back later in the year. But I'm starting to follow the curtain wall now. You can see a curved path. Normally you can walk around there, but at the moment it's just too overgrown. So coming around towards the gatehouse now. Like I say, you can't see much, it's all still too overgrown. Directly above the gate, well, the gatehouse is on the left now, bottom left. And the outer gate is just to left of centre. Like I say, you can't see it, it's all way too overgrown. Looking down now towards our dig site where we were digging last year. Looking for the moat, and the moat is near the top, almost centre, nearly centre of the picture now. You can see the moat quite clearly running across the screen into the dune on the left. Kenfig River's on the right, the old course of Kenfig River. Looking around to try and find the ramparts further around now. See that track? That track actually cuts through the ramparts. That's a Second World War track. I don't know whether it was transporting ammunition or what, but as we come closer, you can see where that tree is in the centre now. Just behind it there's a ditch. That is the ramparts, I believe. Looking to the left, it's all too much sand, you can't see anything down there. Just see the moat again. Coming back. Right, the ramparts are below us, the bush near the bottom of the screen. The moat should be on the outside of this. There is a ditch there. It's about the right size. It looks like the moat. The ramparts are not in view at the moment. It's down to the left. Right. We're actually over the moat now. The ramparts are on the left of the drone. You can see the bushes in front, and you can see a path, a line in front of them. That's actually the top of the ramparts. It's when you're there, it's quite obvious. It's not so obvious on the screen, but that's me underneath. That's the longhouse. The bushes, bottom left. The marshalling yards, the motorway, and everything behind. Coming back to the castle. Directly above the ramparts and the bush to the right is the longhouse. But judging by the ramparts, the longhouse seems to be in the middle of the moat, so can't work that out yet. Something definitely going on there. A lot of wasteland this side of the keep. All overgrown, you can't see anything in there. You can see the ditch just above centre. There's a marked ditch there. You can see the ramparts now clearly where I'm stood on top. As it comes further down now, you can see it curving round to the left. This is quite obvious on the ground, you can see it clearly. There's the path, you can see it's curving up now. It's the two bushes are near the middle of the screen are both on. You can see the line almost vertical, and then you lose it again in the sand dunes. Over to the castle. Like I said about it's all overgrown. There should be a curtain wall this side of the keep. I don't know how much of it's still there. I know the other side there's some stonework still left there. Don't think we'll ever get a chance to dig here, mate. Be a pity. Colour's still not sorted, but at least you can get the basic outline of things. It's all still overgrown, as I say. Give it a month or two and it'll die back, so I'll have another go. But first attempt. Right, near the middle now, you can see a ditch. I'm not sure what this ditch is for. It's just to the left of centre at the moment, running vertically. I don't know what the ditch is for, but it's marked on maps, so it must be of some historic significance, I would think. Coming into land now. That's me just left the centre, but a bit of a job trying to dodge the cow pads. That's about it. I'll try again in a month or two and see if the undergrowth has died back.